Hi. I'm Claudia from Cake43. Today I'll tell you how I made the cake for my friend Eleonore. A raspberry cake flavored with rose. Obviously you need rose tea or rose essence. There are 3 preparations: the biscuit dough, the meringue and the Chantilly cream. I'll leave you all the doses and ingredients in the description. I grease and put the baking paper in a pan. I turn on the static oven to 180 degrees centigrade. For the biscuit dough, beat the egg whites with the sugar until stiff, add the yolks, one by one, the liquids, in this case the oil, and finally the sifted flours. It's the same procedure as the microwave cake, whose link I'll leave you. I added some red gel food coloring to give a touch of color. I put the mixture in the pan, level it and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. While the base is cooking, let's prepare the meringue, same procedure as the pavlova that I leave you in the description along with the doses. Remember that everything must be well degreased, use vinegar if necessary. As soon as the egg whites start to whip I add the icing sugar, then the lemon. Continue whipping and only when the mixture is nice and shiny and firm, add a teaspoon of cornstarch. You can flavor with vanilla or rose essence. Cook for 100 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade with the valve open. Finally, the Chantilly cream, which is a custard, prepared in advance, to which the whipped cream is added. But first, add the squeezed gelatin in a couple of tablespoons of custard heated in the microwave. Add the cream with the gelatin to the rest of the custard and finally add the whipped cream. Spread the cream obtained on the biscuit, soaked in rose essence or rose tea. Add the raspberries. Roll up. Let it harden in the fridge. Place the meringue on the biscuit, decorate as you like. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you liked it.